Welcome to word formation, practice in English learning from scratch. Word formation means creating new words with affixes. Affixes are small parts added to base words to transform their meanings through systematic patterns. Affixes are morphemes added to base words. They create new words with different meanings and grammatical functions. Affixes help expand vocabulary by modifying existing words systematically. There are two main types of affixes. Prefixes go at the beginning of a word and change its meaning. Suffixes go at the end of a word and often change its part of speech. The prefix un means not. Happy becomes unhappy, which means not happy. The prefix re means again. Play becomes replay, which means play again. The suffix ness shows state or quality. Happy becomes happiness, the state of being happy. The suffix full means full of. Beauty becomes beautiful, full of beauty. The prefix dis means not or opposite. Like becomes dislike, meaning not like. The prefix mes means wrongly. Understand becomes misunderstand, meaning understand wrongly. The suffix ment shows action or result. Develop becomes development, the process of developing. The suffix lie shows manner. Quick becomes quickly, in a quick manner. Time to practice. Add un to lock. The answer is unlock, opposite of locked. Add ness to kind. The answer is kindness, quality of being kind. Word formation creates new words by adding prefixes and suffixes to base words. Prefixes change meaning at the start. Suffixes often change word type. Practice common affixes to expand vocabulary. Here are the answers. Un plus lock equals unlock. Ness plus kind equals kindness. Great job completing word formation practice. Keep practicing these patterns daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.